Hi guys, welcome to the channel and this is my first vlog. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is my first vlog and we are planning to go to a very beautiful place. Hi my friends, now I have reached to Bhutan. We also call it as Buddha Point. You will find a beautiful Buddha Dodonma statue out here with the mesmerizing view of capital of Bhutan, Thimphu. This is not a single statue you're looking at. It consists of 125,000 miniature statues which are encapsulated inside it. So actually we have more Buddha statues than the population out here. So guys, finally I'm here behind the Buddha statue on the hilltop. So from here I'll show you the beautiful view of the city. So keep watching guys, keep supporting. This beautiful Buddha statue is sponsored by a Singaporean businessman, Peter Teo, and it is constructed at the cost of $47 million. Now I am here in the core of the Thimphu city. Hello guys, so just now I have reached to the Centenary Park and I'll be showing you a very beautiful view from here. This park is also a nice garden along the highway and a peaceful and beautiful picnic spot with a standing golden Buddha statue. You can also see the relaxing view of Wangchu River flowing downwards. Hello my friends, please do support my channel. By afternoon, we can see the park filled with the children and their parents. Now I will be showing you a very beautiful market out here, so keep watching guys. In this small market, we can find clothing and mostly an amazing handicraft items for sale.